Now we will see fundamental data type, that is character. Character data types allows a variable to store only one character. We can store only one character using data type, none other than one we can store. If we want to print your name, then we use for loop to print a name. We will see after we have seen if loop, else loop, for loop. After that we will see how we can print our own name. Next is storage size of character data type is 1. Yes, this we all know that storage size of character data type is 1. We can store only one character using character data type. Yes, char keyword is used to refer character data type. Such like we have refer int age 21. Similarly, we use character and variable name and we assign some letter to it. Example, char variable name. Okay, and size and range of character type on 16-bit machine. Similarly, refer to this chart. If you have any doubt regarding this chart, you can message us on Telegram. We have given in the link description below.